Hey guys, unbox this package with me. Okay, so guys, we have a wedding to attend. Yes, and so I ordered some stuff for my kids and myself. Hubby's own is already set, so what I have here are mostly for my kids and for myself, and they are not even aware that I shopped some things for them. So I made them believe they will be wearing some of the things they already have. I did not tell them that I shopped for them, so it's going to be a surprise for them. I can't wait to get their reactions, or to see their reactions rather. So I'm going to be doing this unboxing alone, all by myself. So first of all, let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so the thing is, I'll be singing with the choristers on that day. Like, I will be among the bridesmaids. Yes, so we have a uniform for that, and I also helped some of my fellow choristers. Is that correct? My fellow choristers. Anyways, I helped them to order our uniform. We are 3 from my parish, but other parishes, they have gotten their own, and so I helped them to order our items, which I'll be giving to them when we go to church on Sunday. So this is a hat. So the color for the uniform is green. Hope you guys can see it. It's a hat. Some people went for this design, while some of us went for this one. So you guys know those hats they put like this. Yeah, I can't wait. Like, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm super duper excited. This is actually my second time attending a wedding since I came to Italy. The first one was not in our church. It was my husband's colleague, which you guys saw the vlog as well. And I also sewed a uniform with them. So this is for this should be for, okay, this one is for Blessing. I don't want to shout there at home, but yeah, this is for her hair accessories on that day. So what I did is, since the color of the bridesmaids is green, dark green, which you guys just saw now, Blessing already has a red and white dress. I had to go with this color red for her hair. Now Favor is going to be wearing green and white, but it's the same uniform for both Blessing and Favor. Same for Joshua and Caleb. So this is Blessing's shoes. So cute, guys. This is so cute. When she sees this, she's going to be super duper excited. Like, I can't wait to see her reaction. Oh my goodness. Okay, here is the dress. Oh, this is lovely. Should I show you guys here now? Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. I hope this one is my own. I ordered 3 dresses, one for me and one for 2 other sisters. So here is what it looks like. I think this one is mine. Let me see. Oh no, this is not mine. This is not mine, but yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is the back. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm going to package it later. Package it very well for the owner. See guys, all the items I ordered are not complete. I have only one pack here. So this one just arrived now, and I decided to unbox it. So we are going to be doing a part 2 of this. And here is Caleb's own. What is this? Hold on guys, let me see what we have in here. Okay, it's a belt. It's a belt for Caleb, for Caleb's pants. Okay, so You see what I mean by some wear green, some wear red? You can see. I did too much. Oh, this is my idea for my kids to wear green and some red, but the idea for the ashwebis, this is not my idea. It came from people that are upper there, upper level. From upper level people, they came up with this idea and this color. But in my own thinking, I'm like, okay, let's do it as a uniform thing for my family. The boys, okay, oh no, 1 girl, 2 boys, red. 1 boy, 2 girls, green. Yes, that's what I did. Don't mind me. So this is the jacket for this pants. Don't worry, you guys will see how we are going to look on that day. And I'm a team I know they play masquerade where they push, they tell them say go now. No, my own masquerade is the fast one, fast and running one. Now this is for favor. The green one is for favor. Remember, I showed you guys the red one for blessing. This for favor. The shoes are not here. That's why I said I still have more packages coming in. Okay, this is just like this is a cardigan for the girls in case it gets cold that day. They can, we are just going to put this in our bag, but if it gets cold, they can simply wear it, put it on and cover their bodies. Okay, what is this? This is a singlet for blessing. Yes, it's for my baby girl. It came in 2 sets, black and white. All right. Oh, my purse is here, but why are the shoes not here? My purse is here for the dress. Oh wow, I didn't even know. Wow. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. Oh, I love. Okay, here is another cap. Remaining 1 because I ordered 4. You see, they are not complete. I ordered 3 of these and 1 of these. You see, but I have only 2 here now. I have only 2. Okay, this is Favor's dress. So I believe some of you from my previous unboxing video, some of you saw this dress, the red one. That's for blessing, the one that she got as a gift. Yes, so I went and ordered the green one. Hold on. Okay, so here is the red one. This is the back, by the way, but this is the green one for Favor. Have you seen what I did there? Now you are understanding my point, right? And the last thing I have in this pack is their socks, Favor and Blessing and Favor. The socks they will be wearing that day. Favor's shoe is not here, my own is not here. I also ordered the same type of shoe that I'll be using to wear this dress on that day for 2 other sisters. So those ones are not here, but when they come, I'll do another unboxing and show you guys what they look like. But so far, I'm happy with all the things that came in today. Oh my God, see what I did. Since they said we are going to be wearing this, I went there and I started searching for bags and shoes that will go with this, and I came up with this one. The shoes look exactly like this, but not really exactly, but almost like this bag. So everything goes together. That's it guys for this unboxing. Wait, so it's like I'm missing something here. Okay, this is for Favor. The rope is a rope for her dress. And that's it for this unboxing. See you guys in the next one. Bye.